Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add title and description on Google Form. So for that, we just need to open Google Form. After opening it, first you just need to create a blank form. So here you can see an option called blank form. Click on that. So for adding the title and text, here you can see an option called add title and description. Click on that. And from here you can just add the title. And after adding title, here you can see a description. Click on that and you can write the description here. So this is how you can add title and description on Google Form. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.